I'm now excited to introduce Dr. Jon Starck, CTO at Synthesia, the #1 platform for AI video, and an LDV portfolio company valued at 1 billion. Their goal is to discover methods for creating realistic videos directly from a browser. Jon, great to see you, and feel free to take it away.
Thanks for the intro. So yeah, I'm Jonathan Starck. I'm CTO at Synthesia, and I'm going to give you a quick fast forward through our journey in creating fully photorealistic performances of humans in generative video. Just to zoom out, to set a little bit of context to begin with, what we're trying to do at Synthesia is to enable every business to be able to produce high quality, impactful video for communication. And our thesis here is, we're moving into a video first world. We all engage with, understand, and remember visual content. And video is just by far the best way for businesses to communicate and share knowledge. So our kind of problem statement in this generative AI space is that we work on text to video, and we do that so anyone can create professional looking video content. And the real challenge in this is that the most important element of video that kind of we watch all the time, apart from cats and dogs, is people. People communicate with you. You engage with someone tells you about the content that you're interested in. So we have a research group at Synthesia, and we're working on this problem of creating photoreal virtual performances of actors, if you like. So our research team is working on creating digital clones. We call them avatars. And they've got to look, sound, and move like a real person in generated video as if they were here in real life and you had a real camera recording them. So that journey, we've been doing this for a few years now. I can really chart it in terms of the big step changes in generative AI tech that's kind of evolved. And this is such a rapidly evolving space. So back in, we were thinking about this 2017, 2018, look, top left, we're quite excited about using CNNs for tracking faces. And this, of course, is ubiquitous now. And in 2019, we introduced video editing techniques, automated video editing, using GANs to create photoreal results. And this sort of tech sits at the convergence of computer graphics technology, computer vision technology. And what we realized and what was evolving at that point in time is that you can take a kind of simplistic computer graphics pipeline, insert neural networks, multiple GANs, and you can produce photoreal results. So you can kind of cross the uncanny valley, suddenly computer graphics looks real. And this was a project that we did with Malaria No More campaign, taking David Beckham, you can see him here, and translating that 2D video to multiple languages. And that is editing content that you've recorded for a single purpose. It's fixed to that viewpoint and the original performance. So we went from there to thinking about how you tell stories. Well, with stories, you've got different viewpoints. You've got the viewer's point of view in a world around them. And so we started moving to 3D representations. And this was when NERFs came out. Now is Gaussian splatting. And what you're looking at in front of you now is 3D video recorded from a person. It's completely generated viewpoints. The camera moves. And that's recorded in the multi-camera studio. It's published at SIGGRAPH 2023. So now we can create different viewpoints and tell stories, but we're still locked into the performances that have been recorded for a particular person that you then edit. Fast forward to now, today, what we're focusing on truly generative performances. So being able to generate any performance that hasn't been recorded before. And the really exciting thing for us here is everything that we work on is really grounded in language. It's communication. There's a person, they're in a context, the environment around them sets some meaning, and you can ground that in language. So we can build our performance engine using LLMs with huge contextual understanding of language. We can now use diffusion models that can model multimodal distributions, something you just can't do with GANs. And we can get to truly realistic generated performances that have never seen before. So I've got a quick snippet here. This is showing our latest technology. It's showing a voice model, generative voice that's expressive. It's showing a motion model, generative motion for nuances of non-verbal communication, and a video model that's rendering video that hasn't been recorded on a camera. So let me show you this.
Hi, LDV. I am so excited to be here and showcase a fully generative performance. Have a great summit.
All right, so that's completely generated. And of course, as soon as you can do this stuff on demand for an individual person, we're going to change video from a static medium for everyone to something that's completely dynamic and fluid in the future. So thanks very much.